The kidneys are remarkable organs that work around the clock to keep the body in balance. Every minute, more than a liter of blood flows through them, entering through the renal artery and moving into millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons. Each nephron begins with the glomerulus, a delicate cluster of capillaries. Here, the filtration process starts. Water, ions, glucose, and small molecules are pushed through the filtration membrane into Bowman's capsule, forming the primary filtrate. Larger particles, like proteins and blood cells, are kept safely inside the bloodstream. From here, the filtrate enters the nephron tubules. In the proximal tubule, the body reabsorbs essential nutrients. As the filtrate moves through the loop of Henle, water and salts are carefully balanced. In the distal tubule and collecting duct, final adjustments are made to maintain the body's internal stability. By the end of this journey, waste products and excess water are concentrated into urine, while vital substances return to the blood. Through this precise filtration system, the kidneys maintain fluid levels, regulate electrolytes, remove toxins, and support overall homeostasis, keeping the body healthy and in equilibrium.